Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Fixes 2025. If you're dealing with a frozen Venmo account, you're not alone. It's a common headache, but the good news is, we can get it sorted out quickly. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to unfreeze your account and get back to sending and receiving money hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First off, why does Venmo freeze accounts? In 2025, Venmo prioritizes security, so freezes often happen due to suspicious activity, like unusual transactions, potential fraud, or even simple verification issues. Don't panic. It's usually temporary and fixable. Step 1. Log into your Venmo app or website. Look for any notifications or messages from Venmo explaining the freeze. This will give you clues on what went wrong. Maybe it's a security flag or an unverified detail. Step 2. Verify your identity. Venmo might require you to confirm who you are. Head to the Settings or Security section in the app and upload a government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. Make sure your information matches what's on file. Step 3. Contact Venmo support directly. Use the in-app help center, chat feature, or email them at their support address. Be prepared to provide details about your account and the issue. In 2025, they've got AI-powered chatbots that can speed things up, so describe your problem clearly. Step 4. Update your account information if needed. Double-check your phone number, email, or address for any errors. Sometimes, a simple update can resolve the freeze. Step 5. Be patient and monitor your account. Once you've submitted everything, it might take 24 to 72 hours for Venmo to review and unfreeze your account. While you wait, avoid making new transactions to prevent further issues. A quick tip. Always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication to keep your account secure in the future. If the problem persists after a few days, follow up with support. They're there to help. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should have your Venmo account back up and running in no time. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.